Hi, welcome to Pack Expo Connect's live demo for Hitachi America Limited. We're excited to have you here today, and we're excited to also share you some of our marking and coding solutions ranging from CIJ and Vision. But I would first like to begin by discussing a bit of background and history behind Hitachi. Hitachi's a fairly large global organization responsible for $85 billion in revenue annually, and we also hold 119,000 patents globally. A few years back, Hitachi developed an initiative around the concept of what's called social innovation business. And we often are asked, what does social innovation business mean? The answer to that question is social innovation business is simply a big idea that Hitachi has around the development of our technology. So in a simple way to say, social innovation business is an effort to take a look at how we develop products and how their impact can enhance society and provide benefit to our end users. We also are challenged by this initiative on an individual business unit level. So we'd also like to discuss with you today during the live demo how marking and coding solutions deliver on the promise to enhance society or better the society in total, as well as our end users. So in a moment, I'd share with you a video encompassing the design and thought that was put into the development of our UX series CIJ printer, as well as our Vision system, and some commonality between the two products in terms of how they communicate with hardware on your factory floor. I'd also like to take this moment to explain that as a representative of Hitachi America Limited, we strive to enhance the user experience from producers like yourself by producing a world-renowned, reliable product, and also taking into the development of those CIJ and Vision systems how we can minimize waste and how the impact of the use of our products relates to the renewable or recyclability when it comes to items that are consumable. So we'll touch on that in reference to our smart bottle design for CIJ, which is unique in the way that it can be recycled after it's consumed. I would also like to share with you that this is a live demonstration, and there is a question and answer section to the side of your screen. Please feel free at any moment to type a question, and we'll respond as time permits during the live demonstration. And also, if we don't have time within the 15 minutes allotted for this demonstration, we cannot answer your questions offline. So please feel free at any moment to ask any questions during this event. So again, I'd like to get back to what we offer at Hitachi America. We offer a complete portfolio of continuous inkjet printers, ranging from our UX series, which is available in 65 micron for standard applications, as well as specialty models, pigmented units, micro character CIJ, and high-speed models. And in a moment, the video will explain how we take into account factories and production workers like yourself and how we can make their job easier by allowing them to focus on their production goals and not have them spend their time focusing on the particular CIJ printer that they have in their plant. So join me in watching the demonstration of our UX series and vision system, as well as some standard protocols we've introduced. And please feel free to ask any questions during the chat.
At Hitachi, we recognize that marking and coding solutions are necessary to production. However, they should run smoothly and consistently in the background, allowing you to focus on your production goals. Let me spend a few minutes explaining how the UX series allows you to focus on your production rather than your marking and coding solution. It starts with the renowned reliability that Hitachi incorporates in all its products. Our pump, which is the heart of the system, is unique in the fact that it's diaphragm-based. This results in a significant reduction in total cost of operation, as well as a reduction in the amount of solvents that are consumed. Moving to the touchscreen, which is an interaction point between the operator and the printer, we've minimized the risk of miscodes by including a visual guide that clues the operator to know the settings that they change and the effects that they will have on a production code as it leaves your facility. In addition, we recognize that there's an opportunity for mistakes when adding fluid. That's why the UX series has sensors that recognize when the printer needs to be refilled with ink or makeup and will prevent the wrong fluid from being added to the wrong respective makeup or ink reservoir. There's another benefit to our smart bottle system, and that is when the fluids are consumed, they can be recycled because the design is open. This eliminates the costly disposal of trapped hazardous fluids that are present in traditional inkjet printers. These are the reasons that we feel like our UX series allow you to focus on production goals and not on your marking and coding solutions. Hitachi recognizes that it's imperative to have legible, clear codes that are human readable. For this reason, we offer a complete vision system that ties into our inkjet printers. Let me demonstrate how this works. As you can see on the screen, our vision system takes a close look at the unique dot matrix codes that our printer creates. By looking at a character by character basis, we differentiate ourselves from OCR type vision system. This allows us to maintain the highest production speed of any vision system mated to a CIJ printer. Our main goal is that products leaving your facility are clear, legible, and easily read by the human eye. At Hitachi, we feel that middleware has no place on the factory floor. For this reason, with UX series, we've incorporated the most commonly used industry protocols, such as Ethernet IP, OPC UA, Modbus, and Serial. We feel that as a customer, you shouldn't have to conform to our proprietary protocol. That's why we've included the most commonly used standards direct on our equipment with no upcharge. In addition, with a unique feature known as SDC, or Software Defined Controller, we are able to seamlessly integrate into existing traditional middlewares in hopes that you can transition out of that middleware, which is costly to maintain and require resources from companies like yourself. By switching to the more commonly used industry standard protocols, along with the tools given by SDC, we can get you focusing on your production goals and not on your marking and coding solution.
Okay, so hopefully you found some of that information as excited as we are to share it with you. Just to recap, we talked about minimizing waste, which we feel is in line with the strategy of improving the life and of society or enhancing society, as well as easing the stress and allowing you to focus on your production goals. We also talked about having a focus on providing clear codes and verifying those codes with a vision system. We also talked briefly about our communication protocols and tools that we've developed within the controller of our products to allow for integration within most platforms, whether they're middleware or if there's a need to control our device from a parent MES, SCADA, or ERP system. Again, I'd like to encourage you to chat with us today. There is a chat section. We can address any questions that you might have during this event. And we would like to also thank you for joining us. If there's more information, please send out a chat or visit our exhibitor page, which is Hitachi America Limited. Thank you.